Hey, this is Jeff with Eternity Shore, and I have another edition of First Time Maintenance. I don't know if you pay attention to playlists or not, but I have a playlist called First Time Maintenance, and it's the first time in terms of me doing maintenance. That's why I call it First Time Maintenance. The first time I'm attempting to do something. Doesn't mean that you should do it that way. Sometimes I get it right, and sometimes I get it wrong, and I mess things up. And as always, I appreciate your comments as to how I'm doing, if you would do something different, something better. So that's what the playlist is for, me doing something for the first time. Well, I've got another edition here because I've got a problem with my snap for the shower curtain. Let me show you what we got going on here. So this is designed to hold the shower curtain shut like so. Wraps around right here and snaps right there, but you can see the snap has come undone. Also have something similar going on. Get out of the head there. I have something similar going on with the sun pad with these snaps. So with those two different things, I thought I better get something to fix this. So I ordered a canvas snap repair set from Amazon. Let's take a look at it. Here is the canvas snap kit that I got from Amazon, which came with no instructions whatsoever. So I need something like, I guess like this guy, right? Does that make sense? Is that like that? And I need some sort of receiver. I guess that is it. I don't know if these are different sizes or not. Does this go in here? I believe that would work. So then this just needs to be hammered down, which I guess is what this is for. I'm not really sure. Or is it this guy? Or is it this guy? Alright. I'm gonna take a look online, see if I can find out. In order for me to hammer this in and get any leverage anywhere, I don't want to do that. I need to take this off, this piece. Just unscrew that. So, just take that off. So, put this through here. Fix that. Right. Put that there, and then I'm going to place this under this mess. And then I don't have a real hammer with me, I just have a mallet. Let's see if that'll work. Not yet. Take this to a firmer surface. All right, oops. Put that through here. I'm gonna put this in here. Okay. Well, there it is. Looks like it worked. So, put this back in here. not a lot of music going on, so all right. That here. All right. Okay. We'll have a snap. The new snap is over here. I'll bunch this together. And there you have it. So that was already well worth it to begin with. All right. Another tool to have on board in case you need it. There's a lot of snaps, canvas snaps, etc., carpet snaps. It's all about snaps. Check out my other videos on first time maintenance. And you can laugh at me or give me advice or maybe learn something. One of those three. Have a great day. Ciao.